Hi, this is Ajay Anand and welcome to science classes from excelup.com. In this video, you will learn about solutions of NCERT exercise from the chapter Chemical Reaction and Equations from class 10th science. Question number 1 is, which of the statements about the reaction below are correct? A is lead is getting reduced, B carbon dioxide is getting oxidized, C carbon is getting oxidized, and D lead oxide is getting reduced. And the equation is 2PbO plus C is equal to 2Pb plus CO2. In this case, we can easily rule out the incorrect options. So, for example, A says that lead is getting reduced and B says that carbon dioxide is getting oxidized. Both lead and carbon dioxide, they are the products of this chemical reaction, so they are not undergoing transformation. So these two options, these two statements, they are incorrect. Let us see what happens in case of C. Carbon is getting oxidized. So here carbon is getting oxidized to make carbon dioxide. So this is the correct statement. So the answer will be 1, that is A and B. Question 2. The equation is Fe2O3 plus 2Al is equal to Al2O3 plus 2Fe. The above reaction is an example of combination reaction, double displacement reaction, decomposition reaction, and displacement reaction. The answer is D, displacement reaction. Let us see why it is so. Here, this is a salt or compound of iron, and aluminium, being more reactive than iron, is displacing iron from this compound to make aluminium oxide. So aluminium is displacing iron, so this is a displacement reaction. Question 3. What happens when dilute hydrochloric acid is added to iron fillings? Option A says hydrogen gas and iron chloride are produced. Option B, chlorine gas and iron hydroxide are produced. Option C, no reaction takes place. And option D, iron, salt and water are produced. You can recall, whenever a metal reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid, metal salt is formed and hydrogen gas is produced. Okay, so hydrogen gas is produced in this case, in case of option A, and that is why option A is correct. And the equation can be Fe plus 2HCl is equal to FeCl2 plus H2. Question 4. What is a balanced chemical equation and why should we write balanced chemical equation? A chemical equation in which number of atoms of each element is equal on left hand side of the equation as well as on right hand side of the equation. So this is a balanced chemical equation. Now what is the reason? In fact, we need to write a balanced chemical equation to obey the law of conservation of mass. The law of conservation of mass says that mass cannot be created and it cannot be destroyed. Okay, so for any given isolated chemical system, we cannot create mass and we cannot destroy mass. So whatever mass is taken at the beginning of reaction, it will remain so at the end of the reaction, and that is why the chemical equation needs to be balanced. Rest of the questions, they are in the next video. So for this video, that's all. Thank you.